God, it's Friday. Nah, yeah, chacha mama kwaba eba Badwam. Gracias Montelo Osmosis. Yo makwaba Badwam Ahosepe. Makacha was a world of entertainment. Nature gune dosu. But the fata was soon. The fata we ni and your son so. And they bring me behind your fa. Catch was say time. Should I be rembisa? The boy ding. Yahani the being sassy. Who knows her? Jenko for ye Mr. Wa. We need a Sandra or him. I'm at two doing a Adom entertainment. Gonna for you more.
When you start sending her, where do you die or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
I'm the guy as queen.
We a guy.
I smoke as well for this. Yemoshi enko and semno some catch him say a brand say DJ Azon to no. Mon na mon friend obia ese efata. But I'm on Saka and Wuni Hojumana, myself, one my 2 video. We are By Asamo celebrities be brainano, a dear chia, on by some way near my a trendy. Na say, sister standing, quan come on trendy that. Yes, because yes, so. Name no, a bimo amana say, or mo ye near mana, a bimo befa. No more trendy, to make us wa aje. It's would yes, over so trendy, across why you want, sir. Je bibi nie modin sheda ye na da chokope MPB ana akope president me ho ne ba be yi akai wo say na ye do waso no nti so uni mo ho dia na ni mo ho dada Olive the boy ya Ghana jumtuni a ode nyomba akwa ba mse so far de ne hit ne ba akọ unless o adwuma bi a minya enhu ye but good thing ya na abrante no abo a so they musician or they NM very talented young guy. Now sa wo chema ne se eye sofo. Was na se sofo na ne se kura ni je na dwumadie ho. On setete no na first no obi eye sofo a na o pese ne ba ye chenchini. E na mpadu ti we so sofo. At least ka so be ye model be na ye. What ya setete na papa ye sofo na say hallelujah amen e de achechire wa e se wi asesa. See, no sense see any dream home. And you want until infinite and manner yentoaso.
See, can you hear me? If you use the headphones so you can hear me properly.
Okay.
How have you been?
I've been good. Small.
Good to see you again, man. you know, I have a problem with you. Serious problem.
Oh, really?
Yes. This song right here, this jazz song is one of my favorites.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, Until Goodson, this was my favorite Olive the Boy song. But I cannot hear a word in there. I just love the melody.
Yeah.
Okay? I love the melody. It's only the what I say?
Where the money go, I go hard though. Man don't lie low. English.
The whole song is English.
The whole song until the chorus where I said come out to Taji.
What does that mean? Is it French?
What's your me?
What?
What is your me?
What is your me?
Yeah.
What is the meaning of what is your me?
Okay, so the song kind of talks about the fact that I'm kind of like a superstar. Like
of course you are.
You understand? Like everybody.
That one day we know.
Yeah. Everybody. I feel like everybody should have a me. You understand? So it was just me trying to direct translate. You get in French. Yeah.
What's your me is what?
What is your me? I mean, you need to have a me. You understand?
As in who
you
are you?
Have, you understand? Who am I?
Yo, what's the meaning of what is your me? What is your meaning then?
Yeah, what is your me? Or just say, what is your I? I'm trying to say, if you have an I, like somebody like me for your life inside.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe I'll try and engage. This song as I stressed me because it took me like 3 days to finish the song. Okay. So the thing I do is I put the melodies down before I write. You get, and when I put the melodies down, I feel like it's 100, and I don't want to go down too much. If I will go down safe, it will be like to like a 95. And what I mean is, if the melody is sounding like, you know, like when you get the melody, it not really get sense until you put lyrics inside. And I have to make sure that whatever lyric I put for inside, it makes sense, and then it's sounding like the melody. You understand the tonation and everything. So it actually stressed me. It had to make sense. About a whole 3 days straight.
Who wrote the song? Did you write?
Yo, yate. Yeah, we find the Sanya Jina for Aqua name na. One which she more. Hey, I said, my dear, wallahi. 11 fear, umbedi holiday. Meh. Na me number phone came before mom remember. What the wire her brand I meant was why? I was saying, oh, and your face. Send I was you, Nipema, won't sano. Mama, they are pekel charcoal toothpaste. Paste what the pot was seeing. A yin cow were noom, and I was saying so a fita. I said, near my modi, I ain't can't know. And I know mania bidia kakra. No mania body journal, no media tintim swa, and we are siasa, and be a bent in a kel charcoal toothpaste. And I may count for a day amount. Now, me pacho, what could pre a broche uncle be at home. Aha. It wouldn't send you be a paper at tea. Because I broche for palm headache pan as I would see will be maso. Now, in crater, but as I couldn't mean post picture. Won't mean your call. Wouldn't me cry me fee me her so who's for her. This will crooning. Now, more Queen of Wizzy Empire. Etimia copia broche and when you have a banana canoe congratulating now. Most say. Hey, now comment says she got an hey, the one proud, yes, sir. Because we commented, hey, now where's your congratulating? And I said, so be crack kayaka, say crassini, wouldn't pay. Your mom visits to see a green card can one. Wouldn't me can ever call. What's it? It's wizzy, Lewin, ne wife, na could pay more. As you assess on who trap pictures as I know young crata. I feel na when young crata, and I will couldn't be able to Instagram say. Ne young crata, and congratulations, no, we say a country called Ghana. We say a country called Ghana, Ampa. And I'm saying, hey, now we quite like Ade, women miss Amped, one at 2 coin. Ade, we pamo how on the same. So be at me to coin when your peppers and you kunu, or no one page, or say, oh, congratulations, so when your pepper. No be saying to crop for peppers when you are just saying, sir, a crony be the BH be chamber. What's a crony be the BH? What's it? Nasa wo na e say eda form na airfo a bo modi akwa American embassy boarding see man no obusu for papers what e amunyan sa we so ye obi de ya na de yi ento wada betimi agube na to aso a it is say na yenya papers a de betimi say I tap into your blessing oh mon tap say ya na mo tap ya mo ko tap ge yi de ya say oh it is wizzy whether me tap mo too find and what you better pesa da munye ni bread na enti we congratulate we woni American papers woni de adenam ki ate hebre woni papers no de adenam am pedu ni wanya no ho no ko oba wate omo ko no pi na de omo akamura papers nti no womo bre enti yaso yanyina ha ma congratulations to be meria me yanyina ha ma congratulations to be so wanya American papers a achievement oh yes an achievement akore so wonya bibia till when I am and congratulations no wo ho eno no na some nim say medical so show O2 honum indigo na hwe ne ma church Twitter na say X no so a pina na ngem sister sand bebre na show no wo nti no obeso na mo mfra mem gini dinam si na bia asem no so ya mpa ba den hu because ade achi bia medical obi bi tro enya sempa nka meka say on checking the mental health in share because on say e bia na bibi koso no kwa wonim because ade achi bia de obetro na ya na ehu na no ho ahwan mu mienu na no I am now baby we are co-parenting ningi na emu na ye ba show no okwa no wonim so obede da so eti medical sa kwode da show no so bu hia hwen fanton show ni bi nwate shatawale ka ho sa kwode ka ho wa medical na nkasa ka ho it will rest at 3 shots we are mummy and create me feel ho ti jai sa unnecessary trend no wate ade achi bia mbesa mo ka bibi ni ebomudin ade achi obi so ye bibi ni ahada abegina ha na aseme say ye jai say adwuma ne ye jai papa sa o how ni amani hunu na Momo ye nsem hunu na ye breka ho ase ye gyaye. Wate? Inti show no hwe so focus. Na ko fele ho bra. Na yemo wambo. You can do it. Just go and do it. Na gyaye sa long nti May 3rd. Ekoso O2 Indigo. Ehonom na medical no ye show no monkota na chi Ghana fo. Menya na ntie se Ghana fo a ewa ama no ne mo mpe show ko. Yese mo nto ticket no. Sa na mo beka che ye de enko ho yenim. Ba yese Nigeria fo ni issue am topa. Is there any reason mo me hu na ye mboabo ye hu na mo nko bi wate? Na mo support Ghanaian artists wate? Ti mo nto ticket no. Me sure so ko ni page abenya details ni na enti no any of fairness golden sofa. To the mo hwe man ye nto aso sisia. Why? 89 na poof mi the anthem frim. Na ye free mu nko pie mu ewo O2 Indigo honom na support medical Mr. Frempon a ochi mu ansem okoso nyamenka ho normal peace wate ye to aso a sansem keka mu de nsem ntu obi so we nye ne ba one ne wo ye se wo de mon try bi wa ha ena ni omo Mercy Chinyu ani abra abrantie bi o siu no sanse obi awo ne ba wutimi hwa abofra na nim akola ya won fofo innocent baby itimi ka say akwa ne se Nathaniel Basint ni kunu nko ye die ni sanse mhunu se ya social media no wode beton ade wode besua ade o sanse mhunu se ya na wudi wo bonkofo di wo kansem ei menu adwo ase wa na ope gender yi ti no wa bo ne ho preko de social no wo kwaso a enkoye bibi papa da che twe record a ebeboa wo na kwaso a gi me ho sa kwaso a yensem say see you around here omo you dey hear me they don't see you na Mercy don't they take you go court na what you go do then they search for you oga they say how yeah anyone boy insane me na no wasa be video say wan kasa na or right to information we say right to me or right say ya na de ma bedru he you kwalai me obi ba wonim de ofam sabi awoja emu amani hunu awotimi sesa nipa no ni padua e ma afam o na obi awo wo okotena atwofon ato data Nigeria so ka data so bo kasa obi ba obi benti onko edi na abrante yesiwo Mercy Chinyu esiwo in fact Nathaniel Basint kran so a woda say police in hwehwe it is say ne de yekoso yegusu a hwehwe nkrofo this year ye ni abre papa hwehwe nkrofo so want me fast move and want me kan asem mfa ho ndi biem de ni abre papa election year obeka afa ho adi papa nti yesiwo ntino boeska no wate boeska no na yemfansi na adwase wa emeto aso enhwoma adwumade eguso a ekoso Adom TV saka enkwala no enso 7 anti kwasia da bia no 3:30 p.m. live on Adom TV meshe so oberhe no wakoso ato ama o favorite contestant Hidden Glow Florence Morte ene twi many more Moses Ima omungina wo this side AUCC ewo Ahosepe na unya 3p garlic mixture so enom bon homodin se yare bia ha nipadua no dia no pesa adwoanum bi ne ho mfa no wanum bia kama AP work 3p garlic mixture na mekan foma de how bia no mesho homodin enom na oho ento well be Kofi Ampedu Madam Catherine amampoma me producer Thomas Eben omungina wa echi ho a omo esom I'm the guys queen Ushamokoma Fabomboko Boza Macau